Look at the boys socialising, having a good fun. What are we watching?
The dogs.
Oh, look at this. Look at this. The fish. Look at this. Give us an update, boys. How are we? Sticky! Yeah, there we go, mate.
Feeling beautiful.
And Mr. $1 Million himself.
Welcome to Star Camp.
We're just going downstairs. Dick and Star Camp.
Bad luck, Traeger.
Hey, don't get too much away.
But that's obviously not my highlight. The highlight is probably Corey getting married.
That's already filming!
Have you just been filming me the entire time?
I've been sitting next to Cam, mate. This concludes the
Yes.
stick. How we doing, mate?
Pretty good, mate. How you doing?
Great. Well played, well played. JP, what's going on?
Well, I'm happy for you.
This baby chicken that I'm now eating. Nothing's going to be up.
I'm in my rightful place.
That's too bad, George. You get what you said. That's
What the fuck?
right.
Thanks.
Is that filming me? Eating?
No.
Alright.
I actually don't want it.
Is it?
No, it's not.
No.
It's probably the healthiest thing I've eaten in the last 48 hours, to be honest.
Well, no one's there right now, as you can see.
Wine yet? Back to you.
How we doing, Chucky?
Steal it, lady.
Big old bite.
I'm doing you a favour. Thank you.
Brunch with Samuel's parents. Paul.
No, honestly, I don't.
A small chicken.
I think it'll be hard to keep Justin off the dance floor, to be honest.
Probably.
Chocolate souffle or whatever.
No,
Sorry.
I'm done now, too. Oh, hi, Justin.
Hey, how's it going?
Hi, how are you?
And this is basically an apple pie, so it's actually quite nutritious.
Justin's too much fun to not be on the dance floor.
Thanks.
You did get what you wanted.
I gave it.
But
Are you
yeah,
going to be on the dance floor?
No.
What?
He will be. He will be. He said no.
Folks, I think we need a big round of applause for our final two contestants in the game, please. Let's hear it for these guys. Be deemed the winner of this scavenger hunt. And Paige's competition is Sam. Let's hear it for Sam. Just don't play categories with him. Return those bras back to the person I'm sure so desperately wants them back. A pair of man's pants. Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me great pleasure. I can't get rest. It was announced.
What do we think about that, Frank?
I'm heartbroken. I'm heartbroken.
That's already filming! Dance for me! Dance! Dance! Dance, boys! Dance!
That's going to make it into the highlight reel, I can only assume.